Mastering TOEFL Writing. Tips and strategies for success. Hello there! Are you preparing for the TOEFL writing section and feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry, because today, we're going to break down some key test-taking strategies that can help you ace this section. Stay tuned! Before diving into specific strategies, it's essential to know what you're up against. The TOEFL writing section is divided into two tasks. 1. Integrated writing task. You'll read a short passage and listen to a lecture on the same topic. Then, you'll write an essay comparing the information from both sources. 2. Independent writing task. You'll be given a prompt, usually about a general topic, and you'll need to express and support your opinion in an essay. One of the most challenging parts of the TOEFL writing section is managing your time. Here are a couple of tips. Set aside specific minutes. Allocate 20 minutes for the integrated task and 30 minutes for the independent task. Save 5 minutes for revision. Before you submit your work, spend some time revising. Look for grammar mistakes, sentence structures, and the overall flow of your essay. Always stick to the topic. For the integrated task, make sure you mention points from both the reading passage and the lecture. For the independent task, directly address the prompt. If it asks for your opinion, give it. If it asks for pros and cons, mention both. While vocabulary is essential, using overly complicated words can backfire. Focus on clarity. Make your sentences easy to understand. Variety. Use a mix of different sentence structures and words, but always prioritize clarity. Your essays should be easy to follow. Use this simple structure. 1. Introduction. Briefly introduce the topic or state your opinion. 2. Body paragraphs. Present and support your main points. Use examples and reasons. 3. Conclusion. Summarize your essay and restate your opinion for the independent task. The best way to master the TOEFL writing section is to practice. Write regularly. Set aside time to write essays on different topics. Get feedback. Have someone review your work. They can point out mistakes and suggest improvements. And that's a wrap. Remember, the TOEFL writing section is all about showcasing your ability to communicate in written English. With the right strategies and plenty of practice, you're sure to shine. Good luck, and I hope these tips help you on your TOEFL journey.